Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and tech tutorials. Today, we're taking a look at the CarlinKit 4.0 Wireless Android Auto Adapter 3.0 Wireless CarPlay AI Box USB Dongle. This little device is an absolute game changer for anyone with a car that has wired CarPlay. It makes the transition to wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto super easy and convenient. No more dealing with pesky data cable connections, just plug and play, and you're good to go. One of the best features of the CarlinKit 4.0 is its support for both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Whether you're an iPhone or Android user, this device has got you covered. The setup is super simple, and once it's connected, it will automatically connect every time you start your car. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and hello to seamless, wireless connectivity. Not only does the CarlinKit 4.0 offer wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, but it also supports dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring fast and stable data transmission. Plus, with features like Siri voice control, online music, and support for various apps, this adapter truly takes your in-car connectivity to the next level. If you've been struggling with slow charging or limited charging ports while using wired CarPlay, the CarlinKit 4.0 has you covered there too. It won't occupy your fast charging port and ensures quick and efficient charging every time. In a nutshell, the CarlinKit 4.0 is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their in-car connectivity experience. And the best part? It's available for purchase right now. Just check the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing adapter. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your car's connectivity with the CarlinKit 4.0 today and experience the freedom of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Don't forget to hit that link in the description and grab yours now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy driving.